Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss compound and multiple angle. Compound and multiple angle. Angles. Compound and multiple angles. So see here. Here this is OX and this is OY, and now this is Z, OZ. Initial line, middle line and final line. Now initial line makes an angle with OY is A. Angle A. And means XOY is angle A and YOZ is angle B. YOZ is angle B. Now P be any points on Z, OZ. P be any points on OZ. Draw PM perpendicular to the OX and PN perpendicular to OY. PN perpendicular to OY. Here this angle is 90 degree. PN perpendicular to OY. Now from N, draw a perpendicular. From N, draw perpendicular to the OX. So keep here L. Now from N, draw perpendicular to PN. See here, draw here perpendicular. So we have already put here P, L, M, N. Here we can put Q. Now this one is 90 degree. Now see here, angle A and here XON is angle A and QN is perpendicular to PM. It means QN is parallel to OX. QN parallel to OX. It means alternate angles will be equal. Alternate angle will be equal. So this angle is A. This angle is A. And this angle here now become 90 degree minus A. This angle become 90 degree minus A, because this complete angle is 90 degree and this angle is A, so this angle will become 90 degree minus A. So now we have to find out this angle. So see here, we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle Q means angle PQN, angle PQN, angle PQN plus angle QNP plus angle QPN is equal to 180 degree. In the triangle, PQN. So see here, angle PQN is 90 degree. Angle PQN is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Angle QNP is 90 degree minus A. 90 degree minus A. Plus angle QPN. So QPN. So right angle QPN equal to 180. So see here, this one combined one become 180 degree minus A plus angle QPN is equal to 180 degree. So angle QPN is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree plus A. So these two cancel. Angle QPN is equal to A. So it means this angle QPN is angle A. Now we have to find out compound angle. So see here, sin A plus B. So this combined angle is become here A plus B. A and here B. So this combined angle become A plus B. So see here, in triangle POM, in triangle POM, in right triangle POM, in right triangle POM or PMO, you can write here PMO where M is right angle, in triangle PMO. So see here, for this angle A plus B in triangle PMO, PM is perpendicular and OP is the hypotenuse. So we can write like this, PM over OP. So PM, so see here, PM is the perpendicular and OP is the hypotenuse in triangle PMO. Now PM we can write like this, PQ plus QM. PQ plus QM. So I am writing here PQ plus QM divided by OP. PM plus QM divided by OP. So PQ divided by OP plus QM divided by OP. So see here, so PQ divided by OP. So see here, PQ divided by OP, there is no relation. So I am writing here QM over OP, this QM over OP plus PQ over OP. So QM is equal to NL. QM is equal to NL divided by OP plus PQ divided by OP. Since QM QM, QM is equal to NN. QM is equal to NN. Now here NL divided by OP. NL divided by OP. This one is not coming in any triangle. So what I am doing? So this middle one, this one I am dividing ON here multiplying and dividing. NL divided by ON into ON divided by OP. So see here ON and ON cancel. It means as it is. Similarly here PQ divided by OP. So PQ is here, PQ divided by OP, there is no relation. So I am dividing and multiplying PN. Dividing and multiplying PN. So here PN multiply PN divided by OP. So this ON, this is the ON, and here ON, here PN, and PN multiplying and dividing, there will be no change. Now, so see here in triangle, here NL divided by ON. So NL divided by ON. So in right triangle, so sin A plus B equal to, see here NL divided by ON. NL divided by ON. So NL, this is NL and this is ON. So if you will take the triangle ONL, in triangle ONL, so see here, this one become perpendicular for angle A and ON become the hypotenuse. See here, NL divided by ON. So in triangle OLN, right triangle, in right triangle and LO, NL is the perpendicular and ON is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular divided by hypotenuse is sine. So this one become a sine. So we can write here, it is a sine. Sine, what is angle? Angle is A. So sine A. Now ON divided by OP. ON divided by OP. So see here in triangle PON. PON is a right triangle because this complete angle is 90 degree. So this ON become the base and OP become the hypotenuse. So for this angle B, so PN is the perpendicular, ON is the base and OP is the hypotenuse. So ON divided by OP is equal to cos B. We know that cos is defined as base over hypotenuse. So this one is equal to cos B plus, now PQ over PN. So PQ over PN. So see here PQ over PN. So this angle is 90 degree. So for this angle A, so QN becomes the perpendicular and PQ becomes the base and PN becomes the hypotenuse. So PQ over PN, so PQ over PN is equal to cos A, equal to cos A, and here Pn over OP. So Pn over OP. So P for this angle PON, Pn is the perpendicular and OP is the hypotenuse. So this one becomes sin B. So this one becomes sin B. It means sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is the formula sin A plus B. The formula of sin A plus B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. You can't write like this sin 90 degree, sin 90 degree, sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. Here sin 90 degree is 1, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 and sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So this one is equal to 1 plus here become 1 plus root 3 by 2. So it means this one is not possible. This one is not possible. Here, this one is not possible. Sin 90 degree we can't write like this, sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. So see here, if you want to verify sin A plus B formula, so see here, if you want to verify, so see here sin 90 degree, sin 90 degree, sin 30 degree plus 60 degree. Suppose this is A, this is A and this is B. So sin A, formula, use the formula. So sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. So here sin 30 degree 1 by 2, cos 60 degree root cos 60 degree is also 1 by 2, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 into sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. So 1 by 4, here root 3 into root 3, so you come 3 by 4, so here LCM is 4, 1 plus 3, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So see here LHS and RHS both are equal, hence this formula is satisfied. Now I am going to discuss the formula cos A plus B. So see here cos A plus B in triangle PMO, in right triangle, in right triangle PMO, in right triangle PMO. So cos A plus B means this angle, complete angle. A plus B is base, base is OM, base over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OP, because this is a perpendicular, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse of PMO. So OM we can write like this, OL minus, here OL minus ML is equal to OM. This complete one minus this one, you will get OL. So OL minus ML divided by OP. So now we can write like this, OL by OP minus ML by OP. So OL by OP minus, here ML is equal to QN. ML is equal to this ml is equal to Qn. So Qn divided by OP. Since ml is equal to Qn. Now OL over OP. So OL over OP, there is no triangle. The ratio doesn't belong to any triangle. So we are going to multiply here OL divided by ON into ON divided by OP. So see here OL divided by ON, OL divided by ON, then after ON divided by OP minus Qn. So see here Qn, this is the Qn divided by OP, this is Qn, here OP doesn't belong any triangle, this ratio. So we are going to multiply here Qn divided by Pn into Pn divided by OP. See here there is no change. If On and On cancel, here Pn and Pn cancel, there is no change. Now I am going to write here OL over ON. OL over ON. So see here OL over ON. So this is a triangle. See here OL over ON. OL over ON. So in right triangle NLO. So this is a OL divided by ON is cos A. So here right here this is cos A into ON over OP. See here ON over OP. So this angle is B. So base over hypotenuse. So base over hypotenuse here means cos B. Angle is your B in this triangle P and O. P and O is a right angle triangle because this complete angle is 90 degree minus Qn over Pn. So see here Qn over Pn. Qn over Pn. So for this triangle PQN, right triangle PQN, and here Q is right angle and this angle is A. So our here Qn over Pn. So Qn is perpendicular and Pn is the hypotenuse. So become here sin A into Pn. So Pn over OP. Pn over OP. So this is a right triangle. So this angle is 90. So OP is the hypotenuse and ON is the base for angle B. So see here. So Pn become perpendicular and OP become hypotenuse. So this one is equal to sin B. So it means cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. This is the cos A plus B formula. Formula of cos A plus B is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. If you want to write here 10A plus B, so directly you can solve like this. 10A plus B is equal to sin A plus B divided by cos A plus B. So see here sin A plus B. You know the formula of sin A plus B. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Here now cos A plus B, the formula is cos A into cos B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Now here cos A plus B, I am dividing numerator and denominator. Sin A into cos B Now here cos tan A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B divided by cos A into cos B. Here also cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B divided by cos A into cos B. So here there is no change, because if cos A into cos B and cos A into cos B here cancel, so there will be no change. Now we can write like this: tan A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B divided by cos A into cos B plus here cos A into sin B divided by cos A into cos B. Here divide here cos A into cos B divided by cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B divided by cos A into cos B. So see here cos A, cos B cancel. Here cos A cancel. Here both cancel. So here become sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. So tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus here this one become tan B. So tan B divided by 1 minus tan A. This one become tan A and this one become tan B. So tan A into tan B. So the formula of tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B.